So today, got a surprise. Just received in the mail. We gonna bust it open and see what it is. So just bear with me real quick. Time. I'm gonna tear it up. Alright. And yeah, let's take a look. Wrapped up nice and neat. Shout out to Gauge Effects down in Palaca, Florida. They get you right, man. Tyler nail, man, looks great. It's gonna match perfectly with my interior. Dang. So I got some class work to do, but after that, I'm gonna go out there and install this thing. He did my my gauge cluster, my temperature too. Hook that up. So yeah, man, I'm gonna install this and let y'all see how it looks. As you can see, it's a rainy day out in VA. You know what I'm saying? But she's still looking as ferocious as ever. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just throw this gauge cluster in and the temperature meter just to show y'all how it lights up, and I'll come back and tighten everything up. So we on the inside now. Swapped out the radio. I would suggest if anybody was thinking about switching out their radio, get this Sony right here. It's crazy. Hook up the 9-wire kit. So I went around the factory amp, and this thing got crazy power. Yeah, man, and it looks good. I know I used to have a big screen in there, but now it's got it back nice and simple. Got my Trailblazer dash plug back. You know what I'm saying? These things are super hard to come by. The other one, I kind of cut a hole in it so I can make a switch for it, but I ran one down. As you can see, I don't got a gauge cluster right now. So what I was doing is I was using this, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all real quick. Let's see if you can see it. Boom, radio comes on. And see, there's a display right there. You can actually see it light up. Let's see. So yeah, that's what I was using. Got the updated shifter, you know what I'm saying? Of course, Heartbeat of America floor mats. And yeah, so let me throw this in real quick. Alright, so I just got it in there. I got it tightened down. So pretty much y'all go see this at the same time turned on as kind of as I am. So let's see what it looks like. Everything white, all the buttons. See, updated the tire service monitor with it's no longer green. You know what I'm saying? It's white. Look at that, it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Even down here, see? Everything white. Everything white. So yeah, man, I'm gonna come out here and oh yeah, so you got the Trailblazer logo, you know what I'm saying, SS. So yeah, man, I appreciate the look, man. It looks good, man. Yeah, so that's it, man. It's blue, you know, blue matches the seats. It's crazy. So yeah, that's it. US Speedo Daytona blue. You know, let's see here. Yep, everything white. Even that. No more of that ugly green. Yeah, man.